Okay, today's example is on the secondary mathematics algebraic expansion. So this is when we will use the algebraic expansion formula, a minus b whole thing squared, which is equivalent to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so let's get on it. So this is very, very similar, right? As you can see, 2x minus 5 square is basically what we have here. Okay, the a value is 2x, the b value is 5. There's a minus sign in between as well. So we just need to apply the formula. 2x minus 5 square is equals to a square, which is 2x whole thing squared, minus 2 times 2x, b is 5, plus 5 square. So this becomes 2 square is 4. So 4x square minus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20x plus 25. And that is how you use this exact expansion formula.